50 professional English speaking sentences that you can use in business or professional settings. Good morning/afternoon/evening. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. May I introduce myself? My name is. I'm pleased to make your acquaintance. How may I assist you? Could you tell me more about your company? Let me give you an overview of our products/services. What is the purpose of this meeting? Can we set an agenda for this meeting? Let's start with a brief background on the topic. I would like to share some insights on the matter. If I may, I'd like to add to that point. Excuse me, could I interject for a moment? I think we should explore this issue further. Let's consider some potential solutions. What are the next steps in this process? How do we move forward from here? Could you please clarify your position on this matter? I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Could you elaborate on that point? Let me rephrase that for clarity. Can we agree on a timeline for this project? I appreciate your feedback on this. I take your point, but I would like to offer an alternative perspective. Let's ensure that we are all on the same page. Can we summarize the key takeaways from this meeting? I'll follow up with an email summarizing our discussion. Thank you for your time and consideration. It was a pleasure speaking with you. I look forward to our next meeting. Could you send me more information on this topic? I'll get back to you on that as soon as possible. Is there anything else I can help you with? Let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my best to address any concerns you may have. We need to prioritize our objectives. Let's make sure we stay within budget. We should consider the potential risks involved. Have we assessed the impact of this decision? I propose we establish a contingency plan. How can we measure the success of this initiative? We need to ensure compliance with regulations. Let's aim for a high level of quality in our work. It's important to maintain transparency in our processes. We should strive for continuous improvement. I recommend we schedule a follow-up meeting. Can we circle back on this issue later? Let's coordinate with the other departments involved. We need to keep the lines of communication open. Let's work together to achieve our goals.